Yo, what is up, guys? It's one of those special day because you are reading. Today we're gonna do a $1,615 PC build, 2K on and 144 Hz. Let's do it. So PC parts picker and all the parts in the video description. So starting off the CPU, the price is gonna you just need to wait few days for the price down a little bit. The normal price of this PC, of this CPU, it's $100. So yeah, it's a Ryzen 5 1600 12 nanometer 6 core 12 thread. It's pretty good. The motherboard is Gigabyte B450M DS3 Arch Micro RTX. Not the best thing, but it's okay. For cheap GeForce Vulkan G 16 GB DDR4 3000 megahertz CS16, and yeah, Ryzen he prefer a lot of speed of megahertz, but actually you can overclock it a little bit in BIOS in 3200 megahertz. So yeah guys, for the storage I chose the Western Digital Caviar Blue 1TB, and for the SSD I chose the eData 240 GB. So for the graphic card I chose the 1060 Super 6 GB, and for case game from GameMax Cage ATX metal case. For the power supply, the best of low-end power supply, German Tech Smart Series 413 watt 18 plus ATX power supply. So I have actually 3 recommendations in this video. I have the Acer and I have the 2 of them. So we're gonna start of the high-end one. You gotta see the price. It's a little bit overkill because it's a 2K monitor. It's a 2K build, and also if you want like 2K Full HD 144 Hz or even 1 HD 240 Hz. So I take this from MSI. It's 144 Hz 1 millisecond VA panel, and also I'm gonna choose another one 240 Hz. So there is 240 Hz. I think this one, yeah, it's the cheap one. It's 24 inch Full HD 240 Hz 1 millisecond TN panel. So I have the 2 Full HD recommendation. I have the MSI Optic G24C4 24 inch Full HD 144 Hz VI panel 1 millisecond, and I have also both of these 2 monitor. It's Full HD Acer 2K Full HD 1 millisecond TN panel 240 Hz, and I have this 3. It's 2K. This one is 60 Hz but IPS panel 25 inch and 2K 60 Hz. If you need like a cheap 2K, it's about range of the $200. So if you look at cheap one, you really need the 2K resolution. You don't care about FPS or something like this. So both of these 2 monitor, it's TN. So this is Dell S2470 blah 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 24 inch 24 inch, not 27, 2K and 165 Hz TN panel. So it's come, this is the price, $315 and $16. So this is Dell from the 27 inch 2K and 155 Hz monitor. So this is my recommendation, and yeah, the price, don't care about the price. The price of this build is $615, and also it's gonna come a little bit overkill or a little bit over the price $650, because the CPU, it's it's up a lot, like $14 than the normal price, and that's normal. This is the hardware component. So yeah, make sure you take the best time for doing the build. So I have $618. If if you have already a 1 terabyte or something like this, it's gonna come a little bit. And also if if this one just wait to down to the normal price, you're gonna lose a $14, and you can actually put a HDD for storage your game and something like that. So 204 gigabyte, it's pretty, like enough for 1 month or 2 months. Some gameplay, some videos, some photos, some everything. But you really need another source. It's like if you have already a laptop or something like this, don't buy the 240 gigabyte now. Like just download in this 240 gigabytes the Windows and some games, and if you have a laptop, all the video and image put it in the laptop. Okay, so yeah, make sure guys you put like, subscribe and share. And I'm sorry I didn't put my face because I lose my camera, and I'm gonna buy a microphone. I just need to talk with me to say your microphone is ready. So yeah, make sure to put like, subscribe and share this video with your friend who need to play with 2K and he didn't have a lot of money. Alright, so make sure to put like, subscribe and share. And also you can do one job in YouTube, GTX and 6060 Super 2K benchmark. So yeah, make sure to put like, subscribe and share, and peace. See you in the next video.